Hello, this is Zahar Hilkovich, and today we're going to solve a new puzzle. It's basically the same puzzle as in previous videos, find top paid employees in every department, but this time we will have to do it without using functions, subqueries, common table expressions, and inline views. Alright, here is the expected result. And the first approach will be not so efficient, but I'm still going to show it to you. So we will start with a list of all the employees. And we need to exclude those whose salary is not the greatest in the department, which would mean that there is another employee with a smaller salary. Since we can't use subqueries and we can't use analytic functions, group functions, we would have to use set operators. So we will subtract or exclude, and we will need a couple of copies of the employee table. Actually, we're going to make a join. Okay, the joining condition will be A department number equal to B department number, and A salary is less than B salary. So if we check the second query, we will see that this is a list of all employees excluding the top paid. And if we subtract from the entire list of employees the one that's not the top paid, we will get exactly what we need. Here we go. Why did I call this approach not so efficient? Well, let's see how many copies of the employee table we use. 1, 2, and 3. We can do better than that. We can do it with just 2 copies of employee table. Again, given that we can't use functions, subqueries, and CTEs. If we could have used, let's say, CTEs and functions, we could use just 1 copy of employee table, and we could use CTE and analytic functions. But that's our restriction, that's our limitation, and let's see the second strategy. And before we see it, let's recall one strategy from a previous video. And the video was, in that video we presented a strategy that starts pretty much the same as second part of our query, except that we'll be selecting actually no, that's correct, we'll be selecting employees, and we'll be joining, except we'll be using left join here, and we will be looking for employees from the same department with greater salary. And if you remember that solution, we had a group by, and we used count B employee number equal to 0. So that works. But here we're using count function. It's a group function, but still we would like to find a solution without using any functions. And in reality, we're almost there. So all we need to do is to exclude this having clause and add where clause. Essentially, what this condition means is that all the values from the instance B in any column would be null. So if we say that where B employee number is null, we will get exactly what we need. Okay, so we got a solution without subqueries, common table expression, functions, and it's only using 2 copies of the employee table. Thank you for watching this video. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to my channel.